Countries with the highest number of new Ahmadiyya converts, top 3 1. Nigeria 2. Guinea-Conakry 3. Congo, Brazzaville. By the grace of Allah, 1,356 books are available on Al-Islam International in Urdu and English. Alhamdulillah, 8 channels broadcasting on MTA International in 23 languages around the world. 15 million people reached through Voice of Islam UK in 5.8 million households. Alhamdulillah, 37 hospitals were established under the Nusrat Jahan scheme in 13 countries. By the grace of Allah, 616 primary schools and 80 secondary schools have been established under the Nusrat Jahan scheme. Alhamdulillah, over 225 million people reached the message of Islam Ahmadiyya through TV and radio. Alhamdulillah, 329 new Jamaat established around the world. Top 3, 1. Congo-Kinshasa 2. Tanzania 3. Congo, Brazzaville. 185 new mosques established in 2023. 76 translations of the Holy Quran are now available. Alhamdulillah, the most new mosques established were in Ghana. 124 newspapers and journals were published around the world in 26 languages. 9,956,000 pieces of free literature were distributed across the world, reaching over 1.5 million people. 9,166 exhibitions held across the world that reached 420,000 people. 8,567 book stalls set up across the world that reached over 1.7 million people. Golden News 00. For more updates, subscribe channel.